What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another double sneaker pickup. Now, this one, man, I got these off the strength of my wife. She saw these. I spoke to her about these. She saw at least one of them, and she said, I really like those. And she was telling me how I could swing it, like how I could wear the shoe. Because when I saw it, I said, man, I don't know how I would flip these. Like I don't know how I would put the outfit together with this particular shoe. So she was telling me, oh, you could wear it with this. You could wear it with, some khakis or some tan shorts or something to that effect. And I went ahead and purchased it because I had a 20% off code because this is my birthday month. So Nike gave me a 20% off code. So I went ahead and got these two shoes because they count as a pack ultimately. And I just pulled the trigger, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. As you all can see, that white tape, Nike box, of course. Boom. And these both are shoes that I do not have a model of in my collection. So they're new, and that's another reason why I decided to go ahead and go for it, because I do not have a model like these in my collection. All right, and this, of course, this is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. We'll go ahead and put that to the side. And here's I don't know what this one is. There's always like a blank one, an extra one in the box. Glorious! Bobby Roode is on TV right now for all you wrestling fans out there. What is this one? Which one is this one? Let's get into the one that my wife suggested. All right. So the one that my wife suggested is this one. Nike SB box. I once had some SB highs, like some Nike SB, the Dunk highs. Got rid of all the ones I had in my collection. So SB box, official box. These are, excuse me, the Nike SB Dunk Low for TRD. I don't know what that means. Quick Strike, size 14, of course. US retail is $100 for these. So let's go ahead and get into these. You see the kind of wood paper there. That's supposed to be for, like, from what I'm to understand, the bottom of a skateboard, the wood that's on the skateboard. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rock TV. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. These are the Nike SB Dunk Lows in this light denim. Let me get a little closer for you all. You see your Nike emblem. There's an N with the check mark there on the side. On the tongue, you got a really fat tongue, man. Really fat tongue. Really poofy tongue. You got your Nike SB Dunk Low Pro on the tongue, and on the inside you got that almost that lumberjack kind of pattern. Let me see if I can get a little bit light in there. You see that on the inside, that blue, kind of a blue and white lumberjack pattern in there. And on the inside you also got your Nike SB logo there at the bottom. You also got, let me take the paper out of here, wax lacing on these. These are some wax laces. It feels pretty smooth, man. It looks cool at the eye. Nike on the back there, and on the bottom here, tan bottoms, or excuse me, the gum bottoms with your Nike SB there in the center. Feel pretty smooth, man. Like, these originally, this pack was originally supposed to represent Biggie and Tupac, and this was supposed to be the Biggie shoe. Then they changed it to the East-West pack. It was supposed to be the Biggie pack, Biggie and Tupac pack, East-West pack. This was supposed to be Biggie. The other one's supposed to represent Tupac, but they changed it to just be the Nike Denim pack, which I think is a good move because what does this shoe really have to do with Biggie Smalls? That's my favorite rapper of all time. I don't see what this really had to do with Biggie Smalls. But anyway, you know, this is the big one, and this is the one that my wife suggested. This is the one that she said that she liked, and she was telling me that, you know, how I could pull this off because I didn't really see it, man. So we'll see. We'll see. We got your gold eyelets here, lace holes there on the side, if you all can see that right there. Some nice gold on that. All right, so that's that one. That's the first one. Let me get this to the side. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take that to the side because we're gonna take these boys to on feet, and also they come with the white laces as an alternate. I think I'm gonna leave it with the. I don't know. You might be able to pull off the white with. I don't know. We'll see. I just like the blue wax laces. So let's go ahead and get these out the way, and let's get into the second pair. Get that box out the way, and boom. Let's get the big guy out the way here. These are another SB. These are the Nike SB Air Force 2 Low Quick Strike. The colorway is binary blue, and white. I didn't say the colorway on the first one. The colorway is utility blue and utility blue on the first pair. Of course, again, you all know how I do it right here in Big Roth TV. It's two. It's two left shoe firsts in this video. This is a new thing. I don't think I've ever done that before. Let's just go ahead and left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. We got your Nike there on the back. You got your Air here on the side. And we got the tan bottoms there. The Nike SB going across the bottom there. All white midsole. And we got like that blue bandana print going around the back here and on the inside, and also on the tongue. It's like a darker denim color all the way throughout. And then you have your Nike SB Air Force 2 logo on the tongue. And on the inside here, you have a Nike SB, the same logo that's on the tongue. You have that on the inside here. I can't get the light, but it's on the same things on the inside with that more bandana print there. These I was unsure of. I didn't know if I wanted to actually get these when I saw them, but they didn't look as good to me in pictures as those did. These looked better in pictures to me, but these look a lot better in person. My only problem with these is this is bad news. That bandana print on the back, that's and on all the way on the inside there, that is bad news, man. And certain neighborhoods, certain areas of the country, that is bad news. I'm no way, shape, or form a gang member, but that is bad news. People give me a hard time because blue is my favorite color. I wear a lot of blues, but This is straight up. This is straight up crip business right here. So I don't know. I mean, clearly I'm not a gang member, but I can see how people could mistake you for the bandana print on that. So anyway, man, but beyond that, I think these came out nice. My thing right now, my dilemma is, when would I rock these? When would I rock either of these shoes? So I'm kind of on the fence right now. I'm kind of on the fence because I feel like I don't know when I would rock these. And I'm kind of feeling like maybe these should both go back to Nike to get something that I would actually rock. However, I like the pack. I like the pack. I like how they look. Well, it's a dilemma. But let's go ahead and try them on because I've never tried them on. And let's see how these boys fit on feet. All right. Here we are on feet. We got the light denim, the East, or the Biggie, whatever you want to call these, the lighter denim, the binary blue, whatever, the utility. This is the utility blue on feet, on the left foot, and on the right foot, we got the binary blue, the Tupac, the West Coast on the right. All right, so on feet they don't feel bad. 14 is definitely the right size for these. Anything smaller, then that would be a definite no-go. But, not bad on feet, man. Not bad. I would probably loosen up the laces a little bit here, a little bit more. But definitely not bad, man. Something different. Something different, man. Let's look at that booty view. Double booty view for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Very nice. We'll give you a little bit of the up front view. Boom. With the gummies, with the gum bottoms. Two different shades of the gum bottom. It's a lighter here. Or excuse me, it's darker on this side, if I'm not mistaken. I can't tell. No, lighter here, darker gum here. But get up close for y'all. Boom. Not bad, actually, man. Not bad. Putting them on feet kind of helped with how I was feeling about them, man. They feel all right. I would just need to loosen up the laces by the toe box. But yeah, man, not bad. Not bad. I would definitely, if I'm rocking these right here with this, with all of that design that's on the back, I'm definitely wearing some red with them. just to kind of even it out, so don't nobody come after me. But yeah, man, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's end it with the east side. But anyway, that's gonna do it, man. What do you all think about these right here, man? I actually think they're not bad, especially after putting them on feet. They're not a bad shoe. They're pretty good looker. Definitely something different from my collection. And I think I could probably pull them off, but I'm gonna still think about it. I'm gonna consider it. I'm gonna talk it over with the wife some more. We're gonna see what happens with these boys right here. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate the support. More content is definitely on the way. And I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.